Thank you very much for coming in this very nice location.
I would say welcome to Europe, which is, I think, also fitting given what we are doing here these days.
We are here this week to discuss the AI tooling in the underpinning a new generation of AI models that we are developing together in Europe. And this is the perfect opportunity to strengthen collaboration across Europe and to go a step further towards co-developing AI models and the underpinning tooling.
We are a group of software engineers, research software engineers, other people working on AI tooling, and we're supporting a scientific community, a scientific research community that has the shared goal of building weather forecasting models.
I'm excited to be here because there's many colleagues all over Europe coming together, working together, producing the best forecasts in the world.
Destination Earth brings together the compute of Euro HPC and the wonderful data sets that we've been building with our weather and climate physics-based capabilities. And then if we add AI on top of that, we get this opportunity to build new forecasting systems, new capabilities to bring weather and climate sort of closer to the people.
It's very nice seeing the people you are collaborating with in person and also exchanges different ideas about the issues that you may experience and trying to solve them together.
It's very helpful to see how much is being pushed by all of us.
I think it's great to see from the presentations that we've seen today, the progress that we've made in the last couple of years.
What is unique about this workshop is that everyone involved is very passionate about their work.